And now, let's learn the phrasal verb pass out. The phrasal verb pass out means to faint or to lose consciousness. In Tagalog, it means mahimatay. For example, she passed out after running too long. In Tagalog, nahimatay siya matapos tumakbo ng matagal. Another example, my blood sugar is too high. If I don't eat soon, I'm going to pass out. In Tagalog, masyadong mataas ang blood sugar ko. Kapag hindi ako kumain agad, mahihimatay ako. And now, it's your turn naman guys. So, i-translate ninyo yung sentence na ito sa English. Okay? Nahimatay siya habang nakapila dahil sa init. Time's up. And the answer is, she passed out while waiting in line because of the heat.